We are looking in DV's lab, but we'll take this across to our guest for today joining into the show. Saurabh Jain, Equity Head Research from SMC Global Securities, and Brijesh Singh, Senior Technical Analyst from Opulent Investment Advisors join in. Hello and welcome to Ask Prof. DV's Lab. But in fact, our first query is also on the short-term outlook on DV's Labs. This is from Chandrasekhar N. I'll come to you, Brijesh, for this one. What is your view on DV's Labs?
So if I talk about for the short term, the trend looked positive to me, and since the volume record has been witnesses on the chart, and 4,895 around the stocks has been trading. So present rate can be used to go long, even in the dip towards the level of 4,850. Also, one can take a long position in it. As a stop loss wise, I'll say it has a nice support at 4,600, 4,640 odd level. So one can keep that thing as a stop loss. Regarding what the target has been considered, stock can go towards the level of 5,400 or 5,440, and time frame in that way would be at least for a 1 month to a couple of month time frame.
Okay, thank you for that, Brijesh. I think I'll stick with you for the next question. The next question is from Shabir Surti. He's saying that he's holding 150 shares of Bombay Dyeing at 142, and he's asking what's the target, whether he should hold or book profits now. And his profit right now is roughly 11,730. So he wants to know whether he should hold or book profits now.
So I'll say hold on to your profit. Nothing. The trend still look positive towards me from a chart point of view. Has been considered 220 around stock has been trading till stock doesn't break a level of 205 on the closing basis. I don't feel nothing negative on the chart frame. So I'll say hold on to your position. Regarding with the resistance has been considered, which can be used as for the profit booking has been considered. So for the short term, it has a resistance at 229, 230 zone where one should look out for booking a small profit in it. And above that level of 230, if it give a closing above 230, then the stock can jump towards the level of 260 to 265 short term has been considered. So if someone has a view of a 1 month or for a couple of months, and 260 should be the level as a target, and 205 as your trading stop loss.
Welcome back. You're watching Ask Profit, a show where we address all your queries. You can ask your queries on the number that is flashing on your screen or any of the social media platforms of NDTV Profit. Well, the next query is from B. Teja, who's from Bengaluru. He's holding 1,000 shares of Orient Green Power at 25 a piece, and his question is whether to hold or sell. He has made a loss of roughly 3,850 right now. So he wants to understand hold or sell. Brijesh, I think I'll come to you for this.
What rate he has bought it?
25 a piece.
Okay, so right now it has been trading at 21 rupees 15 paisa around. So first of all I'll say hold on with your stock. Stock has a support around a current level of 20 to 21 rupees zone. Keeping a stop loss of 19 rupees, I'll suggest you to hold on. Once stock crosses 22 rupees, then only we can say your level would be achievable. So right now I would be saying hold on with the stop loss of 19 rupees, 22 around where the resistance lies. So if it trades above 22 rupees, use that level to exit your stock. So I would be suggesting right now hold on. Nothing promising from a chart point of view, but only thing is that I don't feel that 19 rupees would be breaking on the downside.
Question is from Ashok, who's from Mumbai. He's holding 20,000 shares of IOC at 50 a piece, and he's almost made a profit of 24.5 lakh right now. Brijesh, should he hold or sell?
So first of all, congratulations for holding such a counter for the longer term time frame at 50 rupees. Now it is trading 172 rupees. I'll say at least book partial profit in it and keep a trailing stop loss of 150 rupees. If it breaks 150, don't look to exit. Regarding with the resistance or the target on the higher side has been considered. The level would be 185, 186 zone. If we are able to cross that level, then it is heading towards the level of 210, 220. But partial profit at this stage should be booked with keeping a trailing stop of 150.
One can look at the metals.
All right, that's a fundamental view. But Brijesh, I'll come to you also on this one. What is your view on these metal stocks? How is it looking on the charts?
So 2-3 days back, there was upliftment in the metal stocks. Nalco was there, Hindalco, SAIL, then Hindustan Zinc was there. But from a chart point of view, I'll suggest two stocks, one for the trading bed and one for the investment bed. So Hindalco looks good on the chart at present date also 684 around it's been trading. So for a short term bet it's been considered. One can look out to buy at the present date with a stop loss of 670. Play for the target of 710 to 720 odd level. SAIL, if someone has a view of say a 6 month plus horizon, then only they can look out to buy this counter. Still the stock has been trading with lower tops, lower bottom formation in downward channel slope. And I feel that 110 to 115 odd zone is a strong support that should not be get broken. So one can keep that thing as a stop loss of 110. Present rate or dip towards the 120 to 125 can be used to go long for the averaging purpose. Regarding with the resistance is been considered, stock has a resistance at 155 odd level. That is the first resistance level where the supply zone has been there. If we are surpassing that level, then the next level to watch on the higher side would be 190 to 195.
Okay, and Brijesh, your view on Geo Financial, how does it look on charts?
So for the short-term bet has been considered, stock has been trading with lower tops and lower bottom formation. Even we draw Fibonacci from a previous swing highs of 394 and taking up previous swing lows of 305 or 7 odd level. So it has a golden ratio value coming at around 61.8% ratio value coming at around 360 odd level. And right now it's been trading near the support zone. It had made a base at 190. So purely for a pullback rally point of view, I'll say one can look out to buy at 334 zone with keeping a stop loss of 315 and play for the target of 340 to followed by 360.
And the stock is up around 3.85%. But with that, we're completely out of time on this edition of Ask Profit. Thank you, Saurabh and Brijesh, for joining us on the show today.